Hey guys, Michael here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Spotify Connect like a pro, which allows you to switch automatically between devices when playing music on Spotify. So with this, you'll be able to play podcasts on your big screen, connect speakers, game console, smart TV, and other smart devices. Requirements for this to work is that, first of all, you want to make sure you're signing on both devices. And the second requirement is that both devices has to be on the same Wi-Fi connection. Let's say for this example, you're jamming to a song and you want to switch to another device, let's say your computer. This works for both the web app and Spotify app on your PC. Once here, you can tap on the speaker and desktop icon in this section, or you can expand the song and tap on this. Here you're going to see devices that are connected and are on the same Wi-Fi connection as you are. Simply tap on the device you want the music to play through, and this will connect you to that device. Now you'll be able to use your phone to control music coming from that device. Now you can tap on play, and on that device, it will start playing. Music output will only come out from that device and not your phone. If you want to switch at any time, you can tap here and you'll be able to choose your phone in this section again. You can also control the volume of the device in this section. Once the device is no longer accessible, let's say you close the app, it will be disconnected from your phone. Now on your PC, you also will be able to do this. When you open Spotify on your PC, Spotify app or the web app, click on connect to a device in this section here, and then you'll be able to click on the device you want to connect to. This will start playing the music on that device. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and have the post notification turned on. Let me know in the comment section what kind of video you'd like to watch next.